Yo, what's up, you guys? If you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. Yo, what's up, you guys? My name is Brandon Cook. Today, I'm going to share a couple things that are... excuse me, wait. If you're not part of the elite, you can't even watch this video, bro. Like... Oh, you thought I was talking to you? I'm on a phone call. I'm on a phone call. What's up, you guys? My name is Brandon Cook. This video is basically about a couple of things that make my life easier. Maybe it's like a monthly favorites video. Maybe it's like some things I like video. Maybe there's some couple iPhone tips in it that you guys will like. Okay, I'm just gonna start this video off with saying, all right, so I love my AirPods, okay? And they're amazing. Now you're like, Brandon, them things expensive. Why you wanna get them? Why you wanna get them things? Them things expensive. Listen, they make my life so much easier. So like, I could be more hands-free if I'm making phone calls. Literally, this has so many cool little tricks. Like, I know you're probably like, Brandon, you're so late to the game with the AirPods, bro. Like, that's so like freaking like 2015, bro. You know, bro? Bro. But guess what? They're popping. I like these. These are great, okay? So there's a couple things I can do with them. So you can have them in, right? And they have this in-ear detection, which is amazing. So like, I have them in my ears, right? The music will start playing. You hear it has in-ear detection. It goes ba-ding. It gives that little sound. When I'm playing music, if I take one headphone out, it'll pause the music. If I put my headphone back in, it'll continue playing the music, and that to me was amazing. Then if I want to go to the next song, I would double tap this ear, boom, go to the next song. If I want to contact Siri, I double tap, boom, boom, and it's like, Siri's like, what you need? And if my phone's in my pocket, but I want to make a phone call, I'll be like, boom, boom, call this awesome YouTuber that's watching this video. And it'll say, calling this awesome YouTuber that's watching this video. And that to me is just so dope. And it's a lot of hands-free things that I could do with it. I find myself, see, I didn't think that I would enjoy them so much, but I actually do. And what's also amazing to me is that this case, I don't know how much research you've done on like AirPods, but like this case, it charges your AirPods for you. So like, let's say for example, since these are obviously wireless, they have their own battery, the light comes on, you put them in your case and like, they'll close it and it charges for you. The other cool thing about this is if you open your AirPods, it will show the charge percentage on your phone. Like, I think that is legitimate. That technology is just amazing. You can also use your AirPods on like your computer. You can use them just everywhere. And I find myself, but you run into times where you're like walking by somebody and somebody's like, hey, what's up, man? And you're like on a phone call and you just look like one of those crazy people that's walking on the side of the road talking to themselves. You know what I'm talking about? Like, hey man, how's it going? And you got like the headphones and you just look crazy. Yeah, that's me. Anyways, so AirPods, boom. I'm a huge fan of these. Also, it was my birthday, so I treated myself. I think you should treat yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you want it, get it, boom. The next thing that I like a lot, it's this book. I still got a sticker on it. I probably should take it off. All right, now it looks pretty. This book right here, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a FCK. Yes, a counterintuitive approach to living a good life. So if you're like me and you're an overthinker and you care a lot about things, this book really is just as down to earth, kind of like in your face, kind of like, no sugarcoating. It like gets to the point of like identifying some self-awareness behaviors that you're doing that you can help to better your life, and helps you narrow down the things that you should care about, things you shouldn't care about. And it breaks down like real life scenarios. It's just been a real cool book. Like right now I'm on chapter 5. And it's just really cool. Like this is like, it's a real good book, bro. Like, trust me. So next on the list of awesome things, let me make sure I take some important cards out of here. Some that you can't steal my monies. Ridge wallet. This wallet, dude, is like super tiny. And the reason why I like this wallet so much is that it's got some wear and tear, but they have like gunmetal, they have like titanium, all kind of things. But I got this wallet. Thank you so much, Ridge wallet. Basically, it holds your cards, right? This is a Walmart gift card, but it holds your cards, right? And you can hold like 12 cards in here. Think about the last time, and it also has like you can put your cash, you can put it in there to hold on to your cash. But like, think about the last time that you had a wallet and you weren't using a card. Like, what's the main things you need? Your driver's license, maybe like your debit or credit card, and maybe a gift card or something, and maybe some cash but you could like keep it somewhere in your car, keep it in your pocket, or keep it like here if you need like extra cash, like a couple 20s or something when you're going out the house. But really, like, have you ever had a wallet in your back pocket and you sat down and then it's like you're sitting sideways? I saw this study and it talked about like wallets in your back pocket and how it could adjust your spine. And so I was like, man, I need something thinner. And also I started putting this Ridge wallet in my front pocket because it's so thin that it won't be bulky in my jeans, you know? Because it only needs to be one thing that's bulky in my pants. No, never mind. I honestly have been waiting to talk about this. It's been like a couple months, but I got it a couple months ago. But it's held me down. It's really smooth and it just holds your cards. And also it has this magnetic protection in it that protects you from theft. So like if somebody tries to like steal your identity with like, cause they're super nerdy and they want to take your identity somehow through card technology, this reflects that and it does not allow that to happen. So that's amazing, that's amazing. Okay, boom. Also, I told you guys that I was going to show you guys how to do this. So here's what we do, all right? You paying attention? All right, cool. So I don't know if this is an iPhone X thing. So I'm gonna show you if you have an iPhone XS or iPhone X, this is a cool little trick that I've learned. And then, okay, look, and then I'll show you something for if you have like just an iPhone 6 or up, you should be able to do this as well. But for now, for just this quick scenario, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this Animoji thing. All right, so I'm gonna send myself a text message. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring up messages in my iPhone. All right, so then you'll notice a little camera icon. Tap that camera icon, go over to video, turn it around. You'll see that it has a little thing on the left-hand side. You tap that, okay? And you click your Animoji, and you scroll over to pick your little person, and there we go. And you tap, and we got it. And this is where we're at. You know what I'm saying? I should do the whole tutorial like this. But you can also like turn your phone sideways, and it'll do it like that too. You know what I mean? And I think that's pretty fly. Yo, but I thought that was really dope. And then you could click stop, boom. It has the video in there. And then you could send it like to yourself, or you can add other little cool features that's within that. But I didn't even realize that until I tried to send a picture through message, and I thought that was just super dope. Yeah, okay, so the next trick that I noticed was pretty cool, 3D touch camera. You could 3D touch camera and it could bring up take portrait. You can scan QR codes, record a video, or take a selfie. I didn't even know that because normally I just tap it. I thought that was pretty cool. But also if I go to like take a portrait, it puts me in the portrait mode, right? But let's say for example, I wanted to see the last couple photos that I took. You could just literally, all right, but yeah, you can lightly press and hold on the photos thing and just go through really quickly like what's in your photos that you just recently took. I thought that was really dope. Also, do you know if you want to zoom, you can press and hold that one and swipe your thumb to the left and right, and you can zoom in and out. I did not know that. It just blew my mind. I just want to share a couple of those tips with you again. I thought that was really dope. Also, another thing, did you know that you could swipe up on your camera and you can pick your different filters like that? I didn't even know that. I didn't know that. I did not know that. Then you know you can press and hold on a filter and you can see before and after, like what that looks like your live filter on your photo. Bruh, just little things like that. Anyways, if you guys want to learn more tips, I can more than happily share those with you guys. But yeah, that's just some of the things that I love. It's my favorites right now, and I just want to share with you guys. I hope you guys really appreciated this video because I took my time out of my long day. I just worked 8 to 5, got off of work, ran a mile, and then I'm making this video for you guys now. I'm about to edit it and post it. It's a lot of work that goes into this for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Even if one person comments below and tells me that they appreciate this video, I will keep making videos. I appreciate it. I'm just doing it for at least like one person that appreciates my videos. I don't care if it gets 10,000 views. I don't care if it gets 2 views. I do it so I want to help people. Please hit the bell notification if you want to get notified when I post videos. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, you guys, I appreciate you so much. Please leave a comment below if you found out something new that you liked, and subscribe, or tell a friend to subscribe if they haven't already, because hello. Also, I'm gonna be dropping some merch soon, so stay tuned. All right, you guys. Peace.